Hey guys, Jimmy here. Just wanted to show you the latest thing I picked up from Saddleback. It's actually a tool bag for MountainBack. Pretty cool. Let me turn this off real quick so you can hear me. Anyways, we go in the back, the trunk. There it is. Pretty crazy looking. Love this thing. Let's show you what I have inside the bag. Alright, so let me use the one-handed release grenade pouch type closures. I have it pretty full. Open the bag up, and I do have tools in the tool bag. Anyways, just to show you what I got. Big screwdriver, small set of wrenches, screwdriver again, smaller screwdriver, pliers. Everybody needs a flashlight in their motorcycle, pencil even, and I have a set of sockets. That's a cool set right here. All nice and compact, fits perfectly in the bag. Love this bag. Really cool wax canvas backpack, reinforced rivets with leather washers behind them. Looks like this bag was made last month, and it's truly amazing bag. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.